Hey guys, it's Chresia. Today's video, I'll be giving my room an ultimate makeover. As you guys can see, this is my room before, which is totally ugly and disgusting for a girl like me. Mind you guys, we don't live in a very nice cool house full of aesthetics, so here I am making my room aesthetically pleasing for me and for everyone who's watching, because my room is gonna be my main area where I mostly shoot videos. So this room makeover will be covered into two parts because unfortunately all of my Shopee orders got delayed due to Typhoon Odette since I live here in Cebu, and some of them got returned back to sellers, so I need to reorder again. But anyway, I'll be using the materials and things that I got from Shopee before the typhoon came. So yeah, let's go and let's begin this room makeover.